Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best LED headlights is probably one of the most impactful upgrades you can make to your 2007 Dodge Ram. These LED headlights not only dramatically improve your nighttime visibility, making driving safer, but also give your truck a modern, updated look. They're a straightforward upgrade that can make a huge difference in both how well you see and how your truck presents itself on the road. Number 5. Dodge Ram Headlight Assembly for 2006 to 2009 Ram. This headlight assembly is designed for 2006 to 2009 Dodge Ram 2500, 3500 and 2006 to 2008 Ram 1500 models. It ensures a perfect fit, making installation straightforward. Please note that it is not compatible with certain models, so check the details before purchase. The assembly features a high transmittance PC lens with UV coating. This enhances durability and provides an ultra-clear vision. It significantly improves visibility compared to the original headlights. Installation is simple with its plug-and-play design. No modifications are needed, saving you time and effort. You can easily upgrade your vehicle's lighting without any hassle. It is IP65 certified with a watertight seal and heavy-duty housing. This ensures safe driving even during the rainy season. The design protects the internal components from water damage. We guarantee a quick response to all your questions and provide lifelong service for each purchase. We are committed to providing excellent customer support and ensuring your satisfaction with the product. What we like. This headlight assembly offers a perfect fit, ensuring it integrates seamlessly with your vehicle. It's also 200% brighter, significantly enhancing visibility. If you're looking for a hassle-free upgrade with superior brightness and easy installation, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. This combination has worked out great cosmetically as well as functionally for my needs. Now the road is much brighter and clearer to me at night and allows me to see those pesky deer just waiting to jump out in front of me. As an industrial engineer in the manufacturing of automotive headlamp industry for 30 years, I have to say for an aftermarket headlamp the design appears to be very close if not, the same as the original. Number 4. Dodge Ram Headlights Assembly for 2006 to 2009. This headlight assembly is designed for 2006 to 2008 Dodge Ram 1500 and 2006 to 2009 Dodge Ram 2500 3500 models. It uses H13 for high-low beam and 3157A for turn signal beam. Bulbs are not included. The product is made with high-quality materials and fine workmanship. Rigorous quality tests ensure its performance and durability. The IP65 waterproof level and excellent sealing allow it to work in various environments. The product features high-quality reflecting bowls and reflectors. This increases the brightness, making it easier for other drivers to see you at night. An adjuster is included so you can easily adjust the light. Installation is easy with a plug-and-play design. No complicated techniques or drilling are required. The product comes in pairs for both the driver and passenger sides. The product includes a 2-year warranty. If you have any issues after your purchase, the after-sales service team will help you solve them in time. What we like. This headlight assembly is built with high-quality materials and features an IP65 waterproof rating, ensuring durability in various conditions. The plug-and-play design makes installation a breeze. If you prioritize reliability and ease of installation, you should consider this. What people say. These fit perfectly on my 2008 Ram 1500 SXT. They were very easy to install and look great. They worked great. Easy to install. These headlight replacements are perfect. The fit is as good as OEM. Very happy. Number 3. Nilight Dodge Ram Headlight Assembly 2-Pack. These headlights are designed for easy installation. It's a plug-and-play design, meaning no modifications or drilling are needed. You can get them installed in about 15 minutes. The headlights are completely sealed to prevent moisture from getting inside. They have a ventilation hole to regulate temperature, preventing fogging and keeping them bright. These headlights provide a clearer and longer vision at night. This helps drivers see potential hazards like animals or obstacles, reducing the risk of accidents. The headlights meet DOT and SAE standards, ensuring safety for you and other drivers. An adjusting screw allows you to fine-tune the beam level for a perfect fit. The package includes both the driver's and passenger's side headlights. This is a great alternative to replacing your old headlights, saving you time and money. What we like. This headlight assembly boasts a quick 15-minute installation time, saving you valuable time and effort. It's also fully waterproof and DOT compliant, ensuring safety and reliability. If you value a quick and easy upgrade without compromising on safety, this is the one for you. What people say. The headlights are a direct fit and look great. The LED lights are much brighter than the original headlights. The installation was easy and took less than an hour. Number 2. DNA motoring LED headlight lamp set for Dodge Ram. Are you looking to upgrade your Dodge Ram's headlights? These LED headlight lamps are designed specifically for your vehicle. They will give it a fresh, modern look. This set is compatible with 06-08 Dodge Ram 1500 and 06-09 Dodge Ram 2500 3500 models. It's designed to fit models with halogen headlamps only. For 2009 models, it fits the old body style. The package includes a complete set of headlights for both the driver and passenger sides. It's a great way to replace your old, worn headlights or enhance your vehicle for show. These headlights feature super bright LED light bar daytime running lights. They use H13 high-low beam and 3157A signal bulbs, which are not included. This will make sure you can see and be seen. Made with high-quality ABS plastic housing and a polycarbonate lens, this set offers exceptional impact resistance and long-lasting durability. You can be sure that it will last for a long time. The headlights are designed for plug-and-play operation, with direct bolt-on OE fitment. No modifications or drilling are required. However, professional installation is highly recommended. What we like. This headlight set includes LED daytime running lights, enhancing your vehicle's visibility and style. The plug-and-play operation means easy installation. If you want to upgrade your truck's look with modern LED technology, this is a great option. What people say. The headlights are a direct fit and look great. The lights are bright and look good. The installation was easy. Number 1. KAX LED Headlight Assembly for Ram. Introducing the KAX LED Headlight Assembly. This assembly features a bright LED daytime running light, improving visibility and making your drive safer. With a microprism reflector and reflective bowl design, it offers brighter and wider lighting. The PC material construction makes it solid and durable. Installation is a breeze, usually taking only 30 minutes. It's a direct OEM replacement, with no modifications or drilling needed. Professional installation is recommended. This headlight assembly is compatible with various Ram models from 2006 to 2009. Please ensure it fits your vehicle before purchase. It comes as a pair, left and right. KAX offers friendly customer service. If you have any issues, contact them through the Amazon Message Center, and they will respond within 24 hours. What we like. This headlight assembly features a daytime running light design for enhanced safety and visibility. The brighter lighting and easy installation make it a user-friendly choice. If you like a modern look with improved safety, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The headlights are a direct fit and look great. The LED lights are much brighter than the original headlights. Installation was easy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.